Small kitchens and apartments can be challenging when it comes to making the most of your space. That's why I've put together a list of 20 Amazon gadgets designed to help you organize and maximize every inch. These are practical, affordable, and easy to use solutions for anyone looking to make their home more functional. I have listed the best options for storage, organization, and saving space. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Let's get started. Gizmos Underbed Storage. Offering a spacious 54-liter capacity, this underbed organizer maximizes bedroom storage effortlessly. Its metal frame and durable 600D Oxford fabric ensure long-lasting use, while 360-degree wheels and a clear PVC cover provide easy access and visibility. The foldable design saves space when not in use, and it's perfect for stowing seasonal items, clothing, or toys. Designed for quick assembly, it's a practical solution for decluttering and organizing various household spaces. Gizmos Floating Shelves. Featuring a set of 4 natural wood shelves, this wall-mounted solution combines rustic charm with modern functionality. Sturdy metal triangle brackets hold up to 40 pounds, making them ideal for displaying books, plants, or kitchen essentials. Each shelf boasts unique wood grains and adapts to various decor styles. Easy to install, they enhance kitchens, bathrooms, or living rooms, turning unused wall space into decorative and practical storage. NextGen Corner Shower Caddy. With its space-saving L-shaped design, this shower caddy is perfect for organizing toiletries and creating a tidy bathroom. Strong adhesive ensures a firm hold, supporting up to 40 pounds of heavy bottles. The tool-free installation is simple, requiring no drilling. Designed for 90-degree corners, it works seamlessly on smooth surfaces like tile, glass, and marble, making it a stylish and functional addition to bathrooms, kitchens, or powder rooms. Spacekeeper Slim Rolling Storage Cart. Built with a narrow 4.75-inch profile and 3 adjustable tiers, this rolling cart is ideal for tight spaces like bathrooms, kitchens, or laundry rooms. Equipped with 360-degree rotating wheels and side hoops, it offers easy maneuverability and additional storage options. Durable and flexible, its plastic construction blends well with any decor while providing versatile storage for a variety of household needs. HomeLux Theory Over-the-Door Organizer. Designed with premium non-woven fabric, this over-the-door organizer combines durability with style. It features 6 multi-sized pockets for diverse storage and 12 mesh side pockets for smaller items. With a capacity of up to 50 pounds, it's perfect for holding toiletries, diapers, or accessories. Easy to install, this organizer transforms unused door space into a practical and elegant solution for decluttering any room. JoyJolt Kitchen Storage Containers. Crafted from robust borosilicate glass, these versatile containers transition seamlessly from freezer to oven. The 12-piece set includes airtight lids that lock in freshness and prevent leaks, making them ideal for meal prep and storage. Available in various shapes and sizes, they're dishwasher safe and built for long-term durability. Perfect for organizing pantry staples, leftovers, or meal ingredients while maintaining food quality. Hoopaton Magnetic Spice Rack. Constructed with high-quality steel, this spice rack features a strong magnetic backing for secure placement on metal surfaces. It holds up to 6 pounds without slipping and requires no drilling for installation. Suitable for refrigerators, filing cabinets, or washing machines, it organizes spices, jars, and small kitchen essentials efficiently. The sleek black matte finish adds a modern touch to any kitchen. Wellstar Kitchen Knives Block. This knife block accommodates 11 knives and a pair of scissors, featuring a built-in ceramic sharpener for added convenience. Made from durable rubber wood with anti-skid rubber feet, it stays securely in place on countertops. Its sleek black design complements modern kitchens while offering a practical and space-saving solution for organizing knives of various sizes. I have toothbrush holders. Featuring a large capacity design with trays, drawers, and compartments, this toothbrush holder keeps bathrooms tidy. It includes a toothpaste dispenser, magnetic mouthwash cups, and hooks for 7 toothbrushes, making it ideal for family use. Wall-mounted with a non-drilling adhesive strip, It's sturdy and waterproof, adapting to various surfaces while enhancing bathroom organization and convenience. Bagneser Foldable Storage Bin. Crafted from durable linen fabric and reinforced with thick cardboard, this storage bin offers 21-liter of space for clothing, blankets, or office supplies. Its foldable design with a flip-top lid keeps items dust-free, and Velcro closures ensure easy access. With sturdy handles, it's a practical and decorative solution for organizing bedrooms, closets, or utility rooms. Practical Comfort Aluminum Drawer Organizer. Made from brushed aluminum, this adjustable organizer provides a durable and stylish solution for decluttering drawers. The modular design allows for customized configurations to fit kitchen utensils, office supplies, or craft items. Easy to install and maintain, it ensures a tidy and efficient storage experience for various household needs. FGSAER Cable Ties. Featuring self-gripping, reusable, and adjustable design, these ties provide a quick and secure way to manage cords and wires. Ideal for organizing large cables, they prevent tangling and reduce tripping hazards. The pre-cut ties include a slotted head for easy use and firm wrapping, ensuring durability and convenience. Trusted globally in data centers, they help maintain tidy setups for electronics, appliances, and office spaces while offering repositionable and reusable functionality. Dunley Food Storage Containers. Compact yet versatile, this 1-liter container accommodates grains, pasta, and snacks, while the portion control spout simplifies dispensing. Its airtight lid ensures prolonged freshness by keeping air and moisture out. The dark transparent design protects contents from light and aids in monitoring quantities. Crafted from food-grade, BPA-free materials, the durable construction guarantees safe and long-lasting use, making it an essential kitchen organizer for every household. Amazon Basics Vacuum Compression Storage Bags. Maximize storage efficiency with these durable, reusable bags, which compress textiles by up to 80%. Designed for wardrobes, underbed storage, and travel, they feature heavy-duty double-zip seals and a triple-seal turbo valve for airtight protection. Made from tear-resistant PA and PE films, the bags include a hand pump for convenience or compatibility with vacuum cleaners for quick deflation, offering a practical solution for managing bulky items. Wood Chest Floating Nightstand Shelf. Engineered with high weight capacity, this wall-mounted shelf offers exceptional storage for various items, from books to electronics. Its easy installation process includes all necessary screws and anchors for any wall type. Boasting a spacious design, it serves multiple purposes, including use as a bedside shelf or floating side table. The sleek and practical structure ensures both functionality and a modern aesthetic for any room. Snapware Egg Holder Trays. Designed for versatility, this stackable carrier accommodates up to 24 eggs or treats with layers that can be customized as needed. The BPA-free construction ensures safety and durability, while the lid is microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe for added convenience. With a focus on secure storage and easy transportation, it's an ideal solution for meal prep or entertaining. Sturtis Bookshelf. This 4-tier storage shelf blends industrial charm with functional design, offering generous space for books and decor. The sturdy structure combines solid pine wood and a durable black metal frame, ensuring long-term reliability. Its walnut brown finish highlights the wood's natural grain, adding elegance to any space. The bookshelf's mesh barriers prevent items from falling, making it a practical and stylish addition to living areas or offices. Joseph Utensil Organizer. Transform your drawer with this innovative organizer, featuring stacked compartments for compact storage. Clear cutlery icons allow quick identification, while its compact design accommodates up to 24 pieces. Made for efficiency, it maximizes space and keeps utensils neatly arranged, making it an excellent addition to any kitchen. Poolwo Undersliding Cabinet Basket Organizer. Featuring a 2-tier design, this undersink organizer maximizes storage space in tight areas. The sliding bottom basket ensures easy access, while the sturdy ABS plastic and rust-resistant metal construction provide durability. Assembling in minutes without tools, it accommodates various bottle heights and fits seamlessly in most cabinets, offering a sleek and practical storage solution for pantries and countertops. Simple Trending Garment Rack. Constructed from high-quality steel with an anti-rust finish, this rack offers excellent load-bearing capacity. The 360-degree rotating wheels provide effortless mobility, with brakes ensuring stability when needed. Versatile in design, it's suitable for various spaces from bedrooms to offices. Easy to assemble with included tools and instructions, this garment rack combines practicality and durability for everyday use. That wraps up our list of 20 Amazon gadgets designed to transform your small kitchen or apartment into a space-saving paradise. From clever organizers to multifunctional tools, these items are all about making the most of every inch. To snag the best deals, check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If this video inspired your next space-maximizing upgrade, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who could use some small space hacks, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay tuned for more amazing tips, reviews, and product recommendations.